Okay, so I have gotten this relatively uncommon and unique Little Bird remote-controlled helicopter on eBay. It's one I saw a while back. So we're going to go ahead and pop this baby open. It's a Cobra RC Toys Assault Little Bird Gyro Stability System helicopter. That's not part of the name, that's just what it does. So let's pop this open and see what we got. I've already pulled the remote out of it, but dropping everything. Here's the charger, and it also comes with a lot of spare parts because obviously there's always the likelihood that you're going to crash it into something. Alright, so here's the helicopter itself. It's about, I would say, 122 scale. I was really hoping it was 118 scale so I could maybe put some G.I. Joes in it. Although if I did that, it may not get enough lift to get off the ground. But it's looking pretty good. You turn it on and it lights up, and I'll show a better picture of this as well. So far so good. Alright. Two is when I received this item, it didn't have an antenna. And so I actually have an antenna from a different item, and I'm going to solder it onto this remote.